Well, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy in the flesh, back with yet another legendary video. This legendary video is brought to you by and sponsored by your boy and the big G squad out there in the world, because your boy Tall Guy just dropped a new bundle with the hat, with the shirt, and the goddamn shorts to match, man. Look at the camo G on the G squad with the red G squad with the good thick top of the mook embroidery. And I kept this fit a lot more calm with just the tan shorts with the black shirt and the black hat to match. Damn, your boy could be a low-key rapper, man. How I'm rhyming out here, we hitting y'all with these bars, man. But shout out to all the big G squad. Every time I drop a new bundle, I see every name. Listen, I write the names, I pack it up and everything myself. So when I'm writing out the names, I see all the big G squad that have bought every last bundle every time I drop them. So to all y'all big G squad out there in the world, I just want to let you know I see y'all, salute and respect to y'all, man, because y'all appreciate y'all support. I appreciate more than y'all will ever know. So thank you very much, man. But for all the other big G squad out in the world who haven't been able to cop the merch, maybe you've been in bad times, maybe you've been in good times, or somewhere in between, I've been there too. So for the people that can get it, I appreciate you. For the people that can't, I understand you, and you're gonna get there. So don't even worry about it. Just keep grinding, keep weathering storms, keep getting through it all, man. But for all the other big G squad out there who's in a good spot in their life right now, you wanna go get the merch and support a great cause in the campaign with your boy Tall Guy, because that's what the G stand for, right? Grinding, keeping it G. So if you grinding every single day and getting to your dreams, goals, and aspirations, and on top of that, you are sitting there keeping it G every way, every step of the way, and you putting your best foot forward every single day, then you G squad, baby. And if you G squad and you big G squad, go get your G squad apparel merch right now with the hat and the shirt and the goddamn short to match, man, because this joint's looking pretty fly. If you ask me now, I got the gremlins on the feet. Them don't come with it. But stay tuned, because I'm gonna have some Tall Guy socks coming real soon. Damn, them is bars. Sway, that nigga is cold, man. Listen, man, let's get this video started. Click that link below on the top of the description right there, man, and go get your merch right now. I greatly appreciate it. To all the big G squad in the world, salute, respect, man. Let's get it. So as y'all can see, we got the Hell Pieces 2.0 over here. It's getting wrapped up, it's getting done up. It's still here. We're doing something different with the rims. We're doing a drag setup. It's gonna be legendary. But all in due time, step by step. Damn, I ain't seen my baby like this. That joint towed up.
It would have been mine, but
ain't nobody worried about Sway. Sway talking about a bet he lost.
Now you was cheating, that's why.
What's happening with you, champ?
It's okay.
What's happening with you, brother? How y'all feeling?
Today.
What's happening with you, champion?
What up, man?
How you feeling, brother?
Making me late, man.
Nah, you making me late. Shit, waiting on your ass. What's up, brother? Oh yeah, I gotta show y'all these lights real quick. They're going to 2 racks.
These are gonna go on the top front of the truck right here.
Tony, these was
pretty much in
as hell too.
Oh, fucking super pricey. It's like $1 million up in here.
What made them so expensive? What was it?
Well, the brackets
The
are
quality of it. Basically, the quality of it. That's, you know what I mean. Yeah, you see the quality of regular, you know, standard mounts, $30. So you know what I mean. Almost.
These are $700 pretty much.
Yep.
Per pop.
Well, for the set.
For the set.
Per set. Okay.
So you know what I mean. It's built rough for the. You know what I mean.
So how these gonna go up? These go up on the roof like?
They're gonna go on the edge of where they put the rubber liner. It's gonna sit inside there pretty much flush.
Okay.
And this is where the light's gonna connect.
Yeah. Where
Right
it
there. Yeah.
So basically, we got you.
What's this one right here?
There's a 50-inch light bar for you, especially made for your T-Rex from rough country.
Oh, that's hard.
Oh yeah. Look at that shit.
We made it to match kind of, you know.
Is it supposed to be tinted like that, or you take that off?
Oh, you take it off.
Oh, I was gonna say I ain't never seen a light bar like that one.
Well, you can keep it on too.
Yeah, you keep it on.
Oh, you keep it on?
Yeah. You keep it on. You're not using it?
Oh, to keep the dirt from hitting the rocks and stuff, hitting it. Ooh, that's cold.
And then I got you, you know what I mean?
That is nice.
Kind of black and black.
Yeah, I like that. More menacing looking.
Yeah, so it looks cleaner.
Because usually it'd be silver in there, chrome, yeah.
So you guys look at it.
Yeah, that's hard.
So we got you this, and also we got you the bumper light. A 20-inch that goes in the bumper to match that light bar actually. So
it's like the baby miniature piece of this, it's identical to match.
Yeah.
And we're gonna integrate that into the bumper. That was actually Tony's idea to do, like, put it right under the ram, and there's like a little section. We're gonna bring it all out there so that way y'all can see how it's gonna kind of look on the truck, in a sense, kind of, with just like the brackets. Obviously, we ain't gonna carry the big ass U-bar, but Just kind of give y'all a sense of how it's going to look once it actually gets on top of the Ram Reason 3.0. So we're going to see. We doing the unboxing right now though. Can't remember the last time I unboxed some car parts, bro.
Expensive car parts.
It is. Everything. You know what's crazy? I learned, bro, when it comes to trucks and beefing up them trucks, I've learned that that's the real money. When you see a big beefed up truck, that's an endless amount of money versus like a car. Because it's never ending. You can keep adding to it if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Definitely if you're talking about like them Wranglers and all that.
Yeah. I was in California yesterday. I seen one of those Broncos built.
Yep. Done all over.
Oh man, you know those new Broncos?
Yeah, new ones.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I wasn't a big fan of them at first, but I seen one in person the other day and I was like, that's nice, but it's not. They should have made it like the old Broncos.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like I like the true to form old Broncos. I actually had one. I owned one of those before I went to prison.
Just a mini one. You can match up.
Oh yeah. Can we take this out there? I want to show them what it looked like right there actually.
Yeah.
By the truck? Thanks, bro. Tony gonna be able to
Can you go on the other
get
side?
up there. I might be able to just hold it straight on, huh?
No, just hold. Grab the end.
Sure?
Right there. Grab the end right there.
All right.
And then we'll go over there.
Ah, okay. So it'd be like right here.
Sure.
And then this bracket goes like right. Nope.
That's the other side. Yeah.
The other side, but it'd be like right here, inside that plastic piece.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then kind of just be hanging from there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be hard though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough. And then it's gonna obviously show on the other side though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good look, bro. I didn't think your arm could reach up there, Tony. You impressed me, brother.
Oh shit, fucking the fantastic forearm.
Yeah, I see, brother. The with the rubber band man.
Yeah.
So to be like this.
Yeah.
With the name on the outside. Huh. That's gonna be cold though. It's still gonna make some of that wind noise, like you said, right?
It is, yeah.
But it ain't gonna be like one of them flimsy ass ones, you're saying? It's gonna be a good look. Oh yeah, he gonna show y'all where this will go in here. I think this is gonna be the flyest part.
Yeah, so this one's gonna actually go behind the grill. So you know what I mean? You got two options. You know what I mean? You wanna go behind the grill, but we can cut the mesh off of it, or you can just leave it hidden behind. So if you leave it, you know what I mean, hidden behind, you can't really see it, you know, but behind the grill. The mesh right here.
I think you cut it.
I don't wanna cut it.
No, yeah, so just leave it.
I like the mesh.
Yeah, so
Yeah, and I want it like right here. Can we get it right here?
no, you can't, because actually you get the vents inside.
Oh.
So this was made for this right here, the bottom inside.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, it's made for that.
Oh, okay.
So this is brackets and everything is made for, you know what I mean, to fit this one for a 20-inch right over there.
Yeah, I like it behind the mesh. What you think?
Yeah, it's way better.
Yeah.
But a lot of people, you know, I'm seeing people just cut the mesh. It's behind the mesh, but they cut it so you can see the bar, but it's cleaner, you know.
Yeah, I like it cleaner when you can where you can still see the mesh on there. And then if you choose to flick it on when the aux is, it's good money. Yeah, and then so be
the aux is gonna be the top and the bottom and all that.
Now, why did y'all choose not to go with the ram bar? I remember Tony mentioned it to me before with the lights just over the ram bar. Why?
The thing is that a lot of times, you know what I mean, like you put them in the back, it takes up a lot of the front, you know what I mean, you know, vision, because actually the bar on top and the roof, it kind of jumps off, you know, with the roof. And
right.
Basically, you know, I mean, it hits far away, but you know, what I mean, I think in the front will look good too.
Okay.
You know?
I personally like the U better anyway, but I remember y'all were talking about the ram bar lights. Remember Tony? Yeah. And Tony actually brought up a good idea about, what was those lights you was talking about that go under the pickup bed?
Who? Little pot. There's little pots, primo. We're gonna put little pots around the back so you can see like flooded lights, pretty much.
Under the pickup bed part.
Yeah.
Pretty much where the happen is, from what Tony explained to me, is you'll flip on the auxiliary switch in the car because it come with a set of 4 of them already from the factory. So you'll flip it on, and then next you know it'll light up pretty much the whole bottom of the tailgate, right?
Right.
So where you can
stand forward, but yeah.
Right. But you'll be able to light up, like, so if you're out camping or doing stuff I never do, but I might start doing actually. I love it Slim. Go subscribe to me on my wife's YouTube channel. We might go camping. Sway, we make Sway go get his own tent and everything.
I mean, I've been camping for us. I'm cool.
You did say you was a Boy Scout. You had all that's what you said.
No, I've been camping a few times. I've never been a damn Boy Scout.
Scout's honor, brother. Come on, Tony.
2 fingers, whatever that
You
is.
told me you had all the little badges and all that, the watermarks and. You said you had that.
Nah, nothing wrong about that, but that's a little weird to me. Nah, no.
But I thought you did that.
No,
oh, okay.
no.
I guess it's because we are public.
I'm black. I'm not going out in no damn woods.
Don't be trolling.
What's wrong with him, Tony? Well, anyway, if we choose to do that, those lights on the bottom, you hit the auxiliary switch, it'll light it up. That way we ain't sitting in complete darkness. So I like that. So I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you. So I'm gonna leave them here. I'm leaving my TRX here. Obviously, y'all know I broke the wheel liner. The wheel liner.
Broke a couple.
Yeah, oh yeah, we got those wheel liners, don't we too, Tony?
Which ones? The ones in the front, yeah.
Yeah, right here.
I don't have that one yet.
All the sand still falling out. Yeah, I know, right? We got to get those. I think I need a wheel alignment too now, because my wheel, every time I'm driving, it's just like, if I let, it's like I'm battling my wheel to stay centered, because if I let go, it just jerk hard to the right.
Yeah.
So I got to get that checked out, and then I might got to go to the dealership for that one.
Yeah, dealership.
Yeah, and then there's something else rattling in there too. I don't know. I might have really broke some shit.
Yeah, take it to the dealership. Be like, did you guys take it off road? No, no.
You bring it to the dealership, they're gonna be like, oh, you need stretch, you need this, you need that.
We just didn't see a speed bump, and just kind of went over it at about
Like,
35.
come on, man. Damn, I wonder if we're gonna see. You gotta bring it to the dealership and just.
Hey, the dealership, fuck it.
Yeah, take it to the dealership, we'll figure it out. But the thing is I gotta get it back to LA, so you got a dealership here?
Chapman Dodge, but we'll see if it.
Nah, I think it should be the same.
Is
as long as you go through his, you know what I mean? His.
Yeah, we'll find out. I'll find out.
Yeah, ask him for me and see.
Yeah.
Because then I don't want to drive it all the way back to LA like that.
Yeah, we'll find out.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
should be able to, because it's under your name, so.
Yeah.
Right.
As long as, you know what I mean? It's under warranty, so.
Yeah. So I'm good then. Shout out to my dog Tony for giving us the Escalade back again. Because we obviously need a whip to drive back. We ain't gonna be able to take sways, so we all taking the Escalade. And yeah, gotta get in there, wash my hands and everything. Like the wrap material and everything for the Hellcat's already here, right?
Yeah.
See, and we doing something a little different, a little bit more classy, I think, on the Hellcat, right?
Oh, it's gonna be badass. So stay tuned for that one. So we can't show you, but.
Okay, so we can't show
Is it
you.
orange?
No.
Good. You can't know goddamn orange in the way. It's already 2 orange cars in that.
It's that'd be too many orange ones?
Yeah, too many. It's already me and Jazz, so no more.
You can't listen to Sway, just let Sway have it, man. But all right, man, when we get back to y'all in a minute, I gotta go wash my hands and upload this video. Love it, Slim, go subscribe, and we'll get back at y'all. Sway, hit them with some of that good shit. So as y'all can see, we are back at the humble abode. Make sure you tap in with me and my wife's YouTube channel, Love and Slim. The link is on the top and below in the description. Make sure you don't miss it. And shout out to my dog Sway Media for capturing all this legendary footage y'all been getting, and for putting the top of the Mook visuals on there with that B-roll, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel and follow him on Instagram. And most importantly, please y'all, make sure y'all tap in with my wife's individual YouTube channel. You don't want to miss the content that she's putting out on there. And a lot of y'all have never seen her in this light and the content that she's making. So please don't miss it. Jasmine Love YouTube channel. Link is below on the top of the description. Make sure you tap in, subscribe, turn on post notifications, watch the videos, hit the thumbs up, and catch up on all the videos you've been missing already. And make sure as you're watching this video, you hit the thumbs up, turn on post notifications, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now tomorrow, we got some legendary content going on for y'all, man. Me and my dog, Mr. Organic, make sure you subscribe to his channel and follow him on Instagram as well. We are going off-roading in his Mercedes 4x4. And for those who don't know what a Mercedes 4x4 is, for the people that ain't supercar people, maybe you tapped in over here from Love and Slim or whatever, it is a $250,000 plus Mercedes. It's the G-Wagon, but on steroids, on the anabolic joints, the ones that take your genetic code and modify you to juggernaut, because that's what that 4x4 is. It's the juggernaut. That's why I call it that. So make sure y'all don't miss it, because we're going off-road and we're doing some stuff that me and him have never ever done before. I just hit the dunes in my TRX. So if you haven't watched that video or that content, make sure y'all go over there and watch it ASAP. You know, Sway's gonna have the TRX dune pop up, and he's gonna have the other one pop up where my wife literally scared the shit out of me. I thought she was about to crash my TRX, and she turned it. It was bad. So just don't miss either one of those videos. Do that ASAP. And like I said, stay tuned for the content with me and my dog, Mr. Organic, going off road in the 4x4, because that's a super high luxury, you know, G-Wagon, and big beefed up too. And he's willing to take that joint off road, carbon fiber everywhere. So ain't no telling how this is gonna go. So make sure you don't miss out on it. And I'm glad y'all been enjoying the content, because I enjoy y'all support and I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, so if you're watching, if you made this part of the video, thumbs up, post notifications, subscribe, don't miss it. And make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what you thought about this video and the content that we've been making. So stay tuned for everything else as well, because outside that, I got some car reviews going on for y'all. We just back in the game, man. Let's go crazy with it, y'all. So this is what y'all been wanting. So let's go nuts. Everyday Slim vlog back. I'm back in that thing, man. So make sure you don't miss out on nothing by subscribing. Like I said, and I mentioned to you before. But also, we got a new video going up on Luvs Slim as well. Tomorrow, the day after, we are getting ready to take a trip. Now, I'm not going to tell you where, but me and my wife are going to be out there. We're going to be living life to the utmost and top of the MOOC status. So we're in a blessed position to be able to do so, and so are y'all, man. So make sure y'all don't miss it. Luvs Slim, one more time, I reiterate, subscribe. Check it out, because we got legendary content going up on there. We got legendary content going up on here. And my wife got legendary content going up on her own individual channel, Jasmine Love. One more time, subscribe and tap in, and make sure y'all subscribe to my team. And like I said, stay tuned for our legendary content, because we got a lot of things y'all coming y'all way and y'all don't want to miss it. So I will catch you on the next one.